Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how I use ChatGPT Omni to plan my trade using ChatGPT Omni, the new version. So let's start. First of all, I need to provide a graph to ChatGPT Omni and I need to include my indicator. So for me, I will include my most preferred indicator, volume profile. And after that, I will include my volume profile indicator, and also I include one SMA to check. Moving average. So basically, as you can see, I already implement SMA and also volume profile into my chart for BTC USD. After that, I need to screenshot my graph. So I have screenshot my graph. I can go towards ChatGPT. As you can see, this is my previous inquiry on how to plan my trade, and ChatGPT provide me some of the support assistant, volume, and even trading plan. It used my Fibonacci to trade to plan my strategy, as I provide Fibonacci indicator plot to them. So basically, they provide me Fibonacci and the value and also take profit area, and also they provide me some example plan on how can I use this strategy. So basically, you can check the models here. Currently on tick is GPT 4.0. Yeah, so basically now it's quite limited and you can use your free version to try it out. And for just now, I need to upload my graph. So basically, I can ask, hi ChatGPT, provide me a trading strategy for this BTC attachment using volume, profile, support, resistance. Provide me full strategy with detail. So yeah, I have provided ChatGPT with my graph, and I asked ChatGPT to help me to stimulate a trading plan. So after a few seconds, ChatGPT will start to stimulate the trading plan based on the graph. Because I'm using this graph because I most likely prefer to use volume profile, as volume, for example, this area, high volume means high people accumulate at this area. So basically, it's a good place to plan your strategy. So basically, detailed trading strategy, it provide me high volume area and low volume area. And also they provide me support and resistance. 63,000 strong support from previous trading volume. 64.05 thousand intermediate support for Fibonacci retracement and volume profile. And lastly, they provide me an example of entry point. Entry point buy near 64,000. If the price pullbacks, find the support there, it means high volume there, means strong support. And also buy at breakout around 65,000 when increased volume, confirming the move. And also they provide me an exit points, stop loss, take profit, and also other scenario of trading strategy. So yeah, this is basically how you can trade using ChatGPT to provide you a trading strategy using ChatGPT for Omni. Yeah, thank you. So if you want to start TradingView, you can check the description down below and try out yourself. Thank you.